I think we're about to see a real turning point with artificial intelligence when it comes to video. What I mean is that not long ago, relatively recently, it was very hard to tell if a video was made with AI or not. We could see different movements, the faces weren't precise, and the lip movements weren't quite right. We could tell the difference, but I think we've reached the point where we just can't anymore. Especially with this new tool called SEEDANCE 2.5. They actually just sent me 5 clips, and I want to share them with you so we can watch them here live. I haven't seen anything yet. What do you think? Because at first glance, they look incredible to me. Let's share it. Okay, in these videos, I want to focus mainly on the realism. I want to look at the details with you and have us really give our opinions together. Let's go with the first video. I'm trying shade 11 today. Let's see how it looks up close on the lips. Today, I'm testing shade 11. Today, I'm going to try number 11. Today, I'm going to try shade 11. Today, I'm going to apply color number 11. Today, I am trying on shade number 11. Okay, I mean, did you see it's crazy that you can actually see the texture of the lipstick. We've seen girls of various nationalities looking perfect, speaking perfectly at the same point. I mean, it seems like a revolution for the future of advertising. This video, I mean, it's just incredible. Let's move on to the next one. We have the next video ready. Let's react to the next one. Let's see if it's as impressive as the first one. I'm speechless, I'm telling you. I mean, it's incredible. Did you see the light? Did you see the images? The precision? It's incredible. Seriously, I mean, creating an ad like that, I think advertising is going to, well, from now on, it's going to be a turning point because it's just incredible. Everything that can be done with AI, I mean, really. Let's watch another video. Let's react to the next video. Let's see if this one surprises us even more than the next. Of course, the details are incredible. The truth is that, well, let's see what's left, but they all seem incredible to me. Mom. Since early this morning, multiple abnormal incidents have been reported across different parts of the world. So can you hear me? What happened? He turned into a paper cutout. Don't bend him. No. Absolutely not. No, actually, my prompt... Hello? Is it fixed yet? We're about to play your video at the event. There's been a small unexpected issue. I'll fix it right away. Just give me a few more minutes. Room 3. Let's go. Move it. It appears that some higher dimensional entity is now repairing all of the anomalous phenomena that occurred today. Hurry, hurry, he sent it. I'm on it. I absolutely love this. I mean, it was like a movie, I loved it. That kid really made a mess of things. I have to tell you that I liked it very, very much. And also here we definitely saw, right, that there were things that just can't be, because it really was total fiction, but how everything fits together, I think it's just crazy. Come on, let's watch the next one. Everyone, please enjoy this wonderful party. Cheers to tonight. May I have this dance? Okay, and now that we've seen the 5 videos, honestly, I found a level that I didn't expect. I mean, what I've seen is incredible, but I wonder one thing. If we're seeing this now in a bit of time, what are we going to see? I mean, I'm scared, because what we're seeing right now seems absolutely incredible to me. Therefore, as it progresses, I understand that the level will go up and everything will be better. I don't know if it can be improved. It seems incredible to me, honestly. Which of the 5 clips did you like the most? Leave it in the comments. And, well, I stopped by to show you this new thing, which I found incredible. I hope you did too. And I'll see you in the next video. Best regards.